Gmail not receiving verification code. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can solve if Gmail is not receiving verification code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have not been receiving verification codes on your Gmail, first of all understand from which type of account you're trying to send the verification code. So if you're trying to reset your password maybe for some of the accounts and you're not receiving verification codes on your Gmail, then that could be a couple of ways you can fix it. First of all, you can open up your Gmail application and you can see I'm logged in. So you have to check if your storage is actually full, because if your Google Drive storage is full, you will not receive Gmail emails. You can try sending an email from another account to your Gmail where you're trying to receive the verification code, because if your storage is full, you will not receive it. Other things include, what you can do is you can long press on the Gmail app icon over here, tap the I button to come to the app info page, and then from here go to the option called storage, clear the cache and make sure to clear the data as well. Once you clear the cache files and data, open up your Play Store, search for Gmail app, check if the app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you should be able to go ahead and install if Gmail is not receiving verification code. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.